Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode today. We're going down to Missoula, Montana. We're going to have lunch at the Missoula Club. First up, I'm going to make a drink, and then we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I'm going to do an Apple Brandy Cocktail. So it's just a martini. So I got my martini shaker, little ice. We're just going to do a splash of grenadine. And we're going to kiss that with a little bit of lemon. And we're going to go 2 ounces of apple brandy. And give that a shake. And into the martini glass. And we got a nice lemon wedge as a garnish. And give it a try. Oh yeah, that's Appies with Chappy worthy. So coming up next, we're going down to Missoula. So here we are in Missoula, Montana. Usually these hole-in-the-wall places are hidden gems. That was not the case at this place. The service was horrific. Everyone was very unfriendly. It just seemed like it was a locals only place, and if you weren't from around here, they didn't take too kindly to you. The burger was just meh. They didn't have any fries. Even the guy flipping the burgers was a jackass. He asked me, he saw that I was filming, he asked me, "Are you one of them Yelpers?" But I think he was more concerned of me filming because of all the health code violations he was breaking. A lot of handling of money, then handling of food, then pouring drinks, and not a lot of hand washing going on here. But there's the burger. It was okay. I would definitely not go back. And unless you're from Montana, I would never go there unless you want to end up like Ned Beatty on the movie Deliverance. They were a hell of a lot nicer to Hannah Hart when she was there anyway. So that's the Missoula Club in Missoula, Montana. Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I'm doing a shrimp boil today. So I got my water boiling, and I got some Zatarains, crawfish and shrimp boil. It's just a packet of Cajun seasonings, very popular in New Orleans. I'm just going to pop that into the boiling water. Boop. And then I got some nice potatoes. Let's see, what else we got here? Oh, some corn I cut into coins. And that seasoning's just going to season everything nicely. And there's my Andoullie sausage and some lemon wedges. And then I'm going to add the shrimp at the end. You don't want to overcook your shrimp or it's going to get rubbery. So I'm going to let that cook off for a little bit. Let the potatoes and corn cook all the way through. Got a nice good boil going. And there's my shrimp. Got some nice big ones today. 31 to 40. And that's with the shell on. So you want to do like sort of the peel and eat shrimp when you're doing the shrimp boil. And the shrimp are just going to take like a minute or two. Once they're nice and pink, you're good to go. You're going to drain that liquid off. And we're going to have a good old-fashioned Cajun shrimp boil. So coming up, Appies with Chappy by the Lake shrimp boil. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.